The stand installation tutorial. First, take these accessories and tools. These are for universal wheels and 4 feet. Rubber pads, 2 packs of screws, and tools. This is 8 and 10 wrench, 10 mm hexagon wrench, and this set hexagon wrenches. Turn the stand upside down. There are 4 boards below, 1 big board, and 3 small boards. First, put these 2 small boards up. Prepare a screw, a spring washer, a nut, 2 flat washers. First, put on the flat washer, then pass the screw through this hole. Then put a flat washer and a spring washer, and put the nut on it. Do not tighten the screws. Then install the second small board. Next, install the big one. This side faces upward. Align with the hole. Then screw it. Then install the 4th board. Align these 2 parts. Then we prepare a 5 mm hexagon wrench, and this 8 and 10 wrench. Tighten the screws. Then we tighten the other screws. For the big board, we also need to align these 2 parts. Then tighten the screws. Next, install the universal wheels. Align the 4 holes. Each hole needs a screw, 1 spring washer and 1 flat washer. Then screw it with 5 mm hexagon wrench. Next, install the bottom feet. First, we need to screw the nut to the bottom. And screw it. Make sure the feet are lower than the wheels. Then turn the stand over. And then align the rubber pad with the hole. The big board is the front of the machine. There is a corresponding hole here. Prepare a big screw, a spring washer, a flat washer. Align the screw with the hole. Screw it. Then tighten the screws. Push the machine to the right position. Then, brake the wheels. Screw the bottom foot down. Screw the nut upward. The stand installation is completed.